Get ready to be amazed BC, this might just most satisfying, is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it makes your daily routine effortless. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly shockingly good at what it does for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed BC, this might just most satisfying, is officially taking over the internet.